So guys, today we're checking out this CRAFTSMAN V20 Weedwacker, which is a cordless string trimmer with 13-inch cutting radius. Now let's just quickly check what's in the box. And right here is the compact battery charger. This one is the trimmer guard. And here is the multi-language instruction manual. Make sure you read this before starting the assembly and also for your safety and warranty information. And this one is the auxiliary handle. And lastly, the full assembly of the Weedwacker string trimmer. And it's very surprising how light this is. And here's the V20 2.0 amp hour lithium-ion battery pack. So this is the full contents of the box. The battery wasn't charged when it was delivered. So to charge it, just simply plug in the charger, insert the battery, and when you see the flashing green, that means that the battery is charging. And when the green light is solid, the battery is fully charged. Now when it comes to the trimmer head, the full trimmer head is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel or look cheap. Now on the spool housing, I noticed that there's only one string that is sticking out, unlike the others that they have two. But I'll show you later how it performs even if it's just single string. Now let's put the string trimmer together. So we're going to install the auxiliary handle. You can stand on the side where the trim head is and make sure that the side of the auxiliary handle that has a bigger hole is on your right side. And then squeeze both sides of the auxiliary handle adjustment buttons and then slide the handle in. And wait for that click to confirm that the handle is locked in place. And to adjust the handle, just simply press the adjustment button and position the handle according to your preference. Now installing the trimmer guard is a simple process. Just remove the screw, but you will need that later. And then simply slide the guard to the trimmer head. And wait for that click. Once you hear the click, that means that the guard is already locked in. Then use the screw to secure the guard to the trim head. Then install the battery so we can get trimming. Now when it comes to the controls, it has a low and high speed control switch. And on both sides, you will find the lock off button. So it doesn't matter if you're right-handed or left-handed. And the on and off trigger that is ergonomically placed along the handle. This string trimmer also has a telescopic pole. So you can adjust how long you want it to be. So there's no need to bend down or lift your arm when using this string trimmer. Now let's get trimming. This string trimmer has an automatic line advanced feed system which feeds the line automatically, so there's no interruption when working. So you just keep trimming. And the 13-inch cutting area is long enough for me to reach those deep edges. Speaking of edges, did I mention that this string trimmer is also an edger? This red wire right here is the wire edge guide. And to turn it to an edger, all you need to do is just push the pole and twist to turn the trim head. I'm very impressed with the performance of this string trimmer and edger. It is lightweight and it lasts long enough for what I need it for. So guys, this is the CRAFTSMAN Weedwacker V20 cordless string trimmer and edger. Get yours today and thanks for watching.